So this is a very interesting video I'm going to make. So let's see. Scholar Google. So Google has recently initiated these new Scholar Labs, and it looks like this, moreover like a chat format. And as you can see, it's probably the next version of the Google itself with Google DeepMind and Google AI for the researchers. So what I will simply do in here is that I will compare this with my own browser, which is built only for the purpose of research, and see which one does the best function. So let's see. Let me start with my browser first. So this is a browser I have built up over the course of time, and it took me. It is a Biomed AI. So it's focused on clinical side and life science research. This is a biomedical artificial intelligence based machine. It's a combination of a lot of things. In simple word, this is a browser you can run with anything, and it does integration of. It has been trained on the uh, PubMed, EuroPMC, and all those datas, and it's been built up with all Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and all those things. Let's go for a search, for example. Okay, we'll do the same search in here as well as the Google browser, uh, Google Lab Scholar, because this one has all these agents. It has a RAG model. It has a background, a lot of um, training based on clinical and everything. So it's an insane model. But let me just go through this. This is a search option research. It has the factual question, article mood. It has chat, literature, clinical trial, and a lot of things. Let's go and search one thing. Okay, so TP53 mutations in, let's say, myelofibrosis, and we'll just give it a search. You can see what's happening in here. Simultaneous, we'll just copy it and go and check into the Google new browser. So this is from the Google browser. And it takes substantial time. It's a big company. Google has so much money, and you can see it's looking for more results still. It's essentially the older version of it, but what they have done in here, what it feels like that on top of that, they just asked, let us ask a follow-up question because I got access today, just an hour ago. So I think if they're just integrating because they have their premium subscription also. So they are trying to. This is after they are showing 24, 40 results they went through, not finally showing 10 results. And I don't know, like, well, what's the specialty of it, so I'm going to evaluate it. And this labs is experimental and can make mistake. Okay, that's bad. TP53 monoallelic versus biallelic. So let's see. I'm just they show the 10 of them. That's fine. Now I'm trying to find understand that. Hmm. Well, it's just searching in there is no other function like no chat is specific or not like an agent. So that's my understanding in here. So now on top of that, you can see that some what it, it shows in here that when we looked at in here and we saw that it's just searching in here, nothing more than that, and that's about a very specific. They keep showing it's evaluated 40, 50, but it shows only 10 search. But now, if I go back to the browser that I have built toward by line, I'm writing that around right now approximately 300K lines of code using different agents and a lot of things. So it has a system of AI confidence based on all those AI models, then RAG models, a lot of SBOT, and a insane amount of safety check, authenticity check, and everything. You can see that it go works pretty well, the writing quality and everything. So it can you can just continue it. You can ask it to write it for more. I mean, um, the references in here you can see. I mean, if you want a validation of this, you can just take it from here and search it like this. So original references. I'll let it vary. I'll let it vary. So this is what I'm telling in here. So this is far more specific. It has more citations than the Google's lab. You can see it's 20 already in here, and you have sources again double checked. And you can continue these as a chat, not like only like give the citations as Google uh, was giving, like as a citation after citation. No, it's an intelligent model. It will keep continuing the chat like a proper way with the three AI model working together. You can do the PubMed search, for example. You do just and it will be done immediately. So it's not what I'm trying to show in here. I'm just showing that the big company like Google, who has a lot of monopoly across this field and an immense amount of resources, I would have expected them to uh, have a better version, which I'm not criticizing. I'm just saying they have option to improve in here when a single person from Mount Sinai can do 300 lines of code just to develop the browser that is specifically works for life science and browser, life science and clinical research with genomics and all integrations. They can do far better. That's my understanding. Either way, that's fine. Thank you.